Hi everybody! Hope you're all having a good Thursday and doing well. I just wanted to come on with little Miss Lena Renee and make this video because I didn't get a chance to yesterday. But yesterday actually marks a week since this little precious girl has been home, which I cannot believe. In some ways it feels like she just got here yesterday, and in others it feels like she's always been here. I love this little sweetie so much. And yeah, I just am so grateful for her and her sister. I can't even put it into words, but she's been home a week and I just find that amazing. But I also wanted to come on and just thank all of you again for all your support, all your love, all the beautiful comments. I really appreciate it. And I also want to welcome all of my new subscribers. Thank you so much for that as well. All of you are just so amazing and wonderful, and I feel so blessed to be getting to know many of you and just being able to share our love for these beautiful babies together. It is amazing and just so meaningful. And you are all so fantastic. And I want to send love and hugs to everyone. And yeah, just thank you so much for everything. And to my sis Asha, hope you're having a great day, sis. Thank you so much for creating this precious baby girl. She is beyond anything. And I love her so much. And every time I look at her, she still takes my breath away. She is so gorgeous and precious, and I just can't believe that you made her, sis. You are truly talented. And for those of you who don't know Asha's channel, it is Pickles and Tea here on YouTube. And I will leave her channel link in the description box so that any of you that are interested can go and subscribe to her as well. She has truly gorgeous babies and is just a wonderful lady. So please go subscribe if you're interested. And yeah, she's amazing. Although I may be a little bit biased because I am Auntie, but isn't that an auntie's job anyways? But I have little Miss Lena dressed in this birdie outfit by Gerber. And I think she's looking so sweet today. And she's finally discovered the pacifier. She hasn't been wanting to take them up until now, but she has finally discovered that she likes them. So I think she's looking so cute with her little Nook pacifier in her mouth. And then she is wearing this little bird set by Gerber. And I don't know how best to show it to you, so excuse my moving around. But there might be the best for now. It came with this little long sleeve cream colored side snap shirt with the pink trim and snaps going down. And my favorite part of this shirt is the little mummy and baby or auntie and niece bird on there in pink with polka dots, and the little bird is actually gold, and they're sitting on a brown branch, and there's all these flowers. And then to go with that are these little polka dotted footed pink pants with the white polka dots. And this set actually did come with a matching polka dot knotted hat, but it was too small for Lena. So I just paired it with this hat that's also by Gerber in the same pink. And it says baby girl on there. So I think she is looking really, really sweet today. And this outfit made me think of her godmommy. So we just had to have it. And yeah, she's just looking really sweet today. And this set is actually from Walmart, for any of you that are interested, and it is actually a size preemie, this one. So Gerber preemie runs really big, which is funny because the hat that came with this is really small. So I think they had their sizing a little bit askew, but I think she's looking adorable. Anyways, and one thing about this little girl is she doesn't like to keep hats on her head for very long. She's a little bit finicky, but that's okay. Say I'm allowed. I am loving that this little sweetie is sized a size newborn, because there's so many more options out there for sizing, especially in Canada. So yeah. Anyways, hope you all have a great rest of your day and are enjoying your little ones. And I just want to send love to everybody, and thank you for watching, and we'll see you soon. Take care, everybody. Bye. See what I mean? The hat's coming off.